U.S. Homeland Security News reported on Saturday, November 22nd, that the U.S. Navy intercepted a narco boat in the Pacific Ocean carrying a massive shipment of cartel drugs, preventing the dangerous cargo from reaching American shores. The Post stated, "Update, U.S. Navy intercepted a narco boat with a massive haul of cartel drugs in the Pacific, stopping a dangerous shipment before it could reach American shores. The war against narco terrorists continues." According to the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, more than 74,000 Americans died in 2023 after consuming drug mixtures containing fentanyl. President Trump has expressed deep sorrow over these deaths and, since taking office, has intensified efforts to combat drug trafficking, saving countless American lives.